Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a body repair or a fiberglass bumper repair. As you can see, there has been previous work done to the bumper, and I bought it not knowing that this was done. So it's cracked underneath, and I'm going to attempt to do this. I've never done this before, but I thought I'd make a video to let you see how it comes out. What I did was buy one of these kits, stage 2. I didn't know there was a stage 1. So, God dang. Shoot. Anyway, so I've got fiberglass cloth, and I got extra cloth. Actually, I got a paintbrush, scissors, sandpaper, the little spatula thing. That's the color it's supposed to be whenever it's mixed. Little thing, measuring cup, some pliers, and a bunch of different kinds of sandpaper. So, and rubber gloves, of course. So, and paint thinner. So we'll see how this is going to work. I actually have a palm sander, but I don't have 80 grit. I have 100 grit, and as you can see, I have a bunch of different sandpaper. Let me see what this one is. Oh, it's 80 grit. I'm going to cut this down. I have a bunch of fine sandpaper, but I don't have any. I do have a lot of sandpaper. But alright, let me put the 80 grit on here and start. I already started hand sanding this off, but I don't know if I should take this off or what. Okay. Looks like maybe I should just knock off the rest of this bondo. I'm not really sure, but possible I should knock off this bondo unless there's a big crack underneath there. I don't really know. But so I'm gonna sand this down and get it looking better, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I went to get some 80 grit sandpaper, some bumper repair kit, which I don't know why, since I already got all this other stuff, but and some glazing spot putty, because actually I have some wrap, and I'm gonna wrap this area once I get done repairing it. So I'll come back. Okay, first I used the let's see, this 3M bondo bumper repair kit, and it had a tube like that and some mesh screen like that and a little spreader, and it looks like that because I have this crack all the way from top to down here, and I know I probably didn't have enough of the stuff, but it only has 6 minutes working time, and I just got that on there. It's gonna dry, and then I still gotta go back with the other repair kit that I have. So I'm gonna let this dry and then sand it down and then work with the filler. It looks like now, after I did the body filler and also the number 2 stage, which is the filler, I guess. I don't know. 2 different types of material though. Down here I use like a black stuff, and this right here is the number 2 stage. So I got that on there. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I got this far. I put the bondo, I put the spot glaze and putty, and I just washed it off. And hopefully I'll just do a little bit more sanding and I'll be ready to prime it. This is just a trial. I would never attempt to do this on my Dodge Grand Caravan. Boom is my moneymaker. But my 2016 Nissan Altima, I'd give it a whirl. It's a throwaway car, even though I still owe at least like $14,000 on it. So this is my attempt to do body work. We'll see how it goes.